Installing Windows Server 2016. Select language, time and currency format and keyboard input method and select Next. Select Install Now. If you need to do a repair, you can go with Repair Your Computer option. Since we are doing a new installation, we'll go with Install Now. In this menu, you can select the server OS version you need to install. For this tutorial, we will go with the standard version. Press Next. Accept the license agreement and press Next. Here you have two options. First one is to upgrade the Windows and the other one is for a new installation. Since we are doing a new installation, we will be selecting the custom option. In here you can create partitions. For this purpose we will be only creating one partition. Once the partition is created, press Next. This will start the Windows installation. Type new administrator password. Select Finish. Your server is ready to use. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos.